What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm here with my good friend Jerry over here at Beast Fab, and in today's video, we're going to be installing the Bilstien 5100s on my brand new 4x4 Tacoma that you guys already know that I just recently got. So I'm going to go ahead and let him explain a little bit on the setup that I'm actually going with, and then his recommendations. Let's go ahead and talk about that now.
So, welcome back again. So what we're going to do right now in Jesse's truck is we're gonna install the 5100 shocks, you know, the front shocks. So in this case, we're gonna go with the stock coils and same with the strap mounts. So you know, you can do different combinations if you want to, like with the Allman MU 288, 287. But in this case, we're just gonna go with that right now, just to avoid any rubbing and everything right now, because it's already running 285. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that, and we're gonna show you guys the process. So we're gonna show you guys a little bit of what's the lift right now, since he's running 285s with the stock suspension and everything. So that way we can give it the difference before and after. So right now, we're gonna be looking at 36 inches, so 3 feet, you know, from the ground to the fender.
You want to explain to them a little bit of what you do?
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, you know, right here in Beast Fab, you know, we do a little bit of everything. So as you guys know, we do camo shots, we do installations, we get parts, suspensions, wheels, tires, general fabrication, sliders, racks, you know, everything for your overlanding and off-roading needs. So if anything you need, you know, just get my info just below and I'll be glad to help you out.
So what we're going to be doing right here is basically we're just going to be removing the stock shock, and we're going to be putting in the brand new Bilstien 5100s. We're going to be reusing the stock springs and the stock mount on the top, which we'll show you in a minute. What he was saying was basically he recommends buying new springs from OME. It'll sit a lot better. It'll probably ride a lot better as well. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it like that for now. We'll show you in a minute.
So I'm gonna show you here, you know, the difference. You know, as you can see, you know, right now in the 5100s adjustable, we're on the notch number 5. So as you can tell the difference. We just finished. We installed the 5100s with the stock coils. So now we gotta measure it back again so you guys can see the difference. So in the beginning we had a 3 feet, so pretty much 36 inches. So right now overall, you know, we have like 2.5 inches, but that's in the 5th notch. So you guys know that. So 2.5 inches pretty much overall, and he's running 285. So if you're running a stock tire or something, so don't expect the same lift, all right? So, and then, but yeah guys, anything you guys need, installations, CMCs, general off-road fabrication, or sliders or whatever, my info is gonna be on the box below. So anything you guys let me know, shoot me a text, send me an email or something, and thank you guys for watching.
We also installed the rear shocks, which are Bilstien 5160s. I'm sorry we didn't record this process, but we also installed this, and we also installed a actual Deaver added leaf. It's actually from Toy Tech, but the brand is Deaver. Not sure exactly why, but it's in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's this right here. It goes all along the leaf. So it gives it a good look, and it actually keeps it leveled. As you guys can tell, I have a rooftop tent, and it keeps the truck level. There's no sagging, anything like that. So it's a good setup to go with if you're on a budget as well. It doesn't matter, it's a good setup. A lot of people would always tell me that having a rooftop tent with just an add leaf is gonna give you a sagging problem. It seriously does not look like it to me. It's nice and leveled, and it looks great. So if you guys do want to check out Jerry, make sure to check out his Instagram. Give him questions if you guys do want some installs on any of the products or anything else out there that you want done on your vehicle. Damn, check that out.